Hello, good day. So this video is about how to start a drawing in AutoCAD, and specifically in our project. So I have made a previous video on how to make your plate number 1. So in making your drawing or starting to make your drawing, do not follow what I did, because what I did was just copied the Oslo template drawing file and then renamed it. So I want you to follow the steps. So please follow the steps, because if you don't, I will know it, and then of course I will deduct points to you if you just did what I did on my previous video. Okay, so the purpose of why I want you to follow these steps or follow this process is because for you to be able to follow the right steps, mao gini sakto nga paagi ug maghimo tag drawing and making AutoCAD drawings, because there are times when we just use what I did, copy lang nato. There are files that are not yet deleted within the file. So let's say for example, I delete some objects, naa pa na siya sa sulod gyud ana, it is still on the let's say memory of that how to say this, of that file. Okay, so in order for us, or in order for you to make your drawings cleaner, and of course if it will be meaning cleaner, wala siya, there are no files or there are no drawings that are katong giingon ako ninyo nakatago, katong mga na-delete. So there is a technique po na unsaon na siya para mawala na siyang mga files nga naka-hides or sa in memory lang, para ma-delete tong memory sa katong mga drawings. But kuan man gud siya, kinahanglan pa ta mag-command ato, napatay pang check. So napatay specifically nga i-check nga mga specific things, or yes, ato pa silang singalan ani na-termino na nalimot ko, i-classify para ma-delete to natong mga memory nga kinahanglang i-delete. But in using this process nga mag-start gid mo from scratch, dili mo mag-copy from other drawing, dili na ninyo kinahanglang buhaton to ang katong that tedious process nga pag-delete atong mga memory. So in here, what you draw in AutoCAD, maoro gyud yung mga file nga mo gula diri. So meaning clean siya, and then meaning pag yun ana, kung clean siya, your AutoCAD file is mas gaan. Okay, so kana mao gani pinaka main purpose ana, gaan siya. Okay, so again, follow this step, not the step on the first video that I sent to you. Yeah, para pud ni mabansay mo nga mag-set up daan sa inyuhang units, especially sa katong units kay kasagaran dito maglibog, masayop na noon. Anyway, mao ni siya. So start drawing, and then as you can see, I am directed to the model. So on the previous video that I sent to you, you will be directed to the layout that I made. So in here, blank po ginang layout, so scratch gini siya. Okay, so Okay, so in the model, of course, it is here we will going to draw our drawings or our designs. But before we draw, mao gini pinakauna na tong buhaton na. But before we draw, I already explained this one on my previous video. We need to change the units. Okay? So, I want you to be familiar with this one because in time, I will let you use another unit in your drawings. Let's say for example, this one is in millimeters. So the previous or the plate number 1, I let you use the centimeters. Okay? So maybe on the next drawing or on the later drawings that I will be on the sooner days, sorry, not later, the soon, mga soon drawings na to, or soon drawings rather, soon drawings that I will be giving to you, maybe I will, not maybe, most probably good, okay, para mabansay mo ni, I will let you use the inches or maybe the millimeters, this one. So the default here is millimeters, gina siya magawa sana, or the meters. So yes, I will let you use that one because for you to be able to understand better with regards to the scaling of drawings in AutoCAD. Okay, so of course we will use centimeters for this one because what we use in our first activity is in centimeters. Okay, so precision, okay rin na siya. This one, precision, maoni siya nga data. Let's say for example nga mo, let's say for example let's say for example 1 divided by 3, as you can see 3.3333, so on and so forth. So the AutoCAD will automatically round off, not round up, not round down, round off, meaning kabalo naman na dili na ko mo discuss na kabalo naman pag elementary na pag elementary. So i-round off na niya into 4 decimal points, as you can see. So instead of this one never ending 3, the AutoCAD will automatically round off the not distance, the measurement of your drawing into 4 decimal points or any lines or segments, basta ilaos na niya 4 decimal points, mao ba tong yan, 4 decimal points. Okay, so so later when we will be using dimensions or we will be adding dimensions, lahi pud to siya ug kani, but kanila siya is the i-process. This is the process of AutoCAD on how the software will be measuring our drawings. Okay, so pwede rin siya, okay rin siya, or mostly kani 3 decimal points kaya ko paggamit even in the dimensions, or 2 decimal points, 3 decimal points, or 2 decimal points. But I suggest patasan ninyo ang decimal points nga gamiton niya niya kay not only 1 decimal point, not whole number, kay para this is for the more precise drawings that you will get, or the more precise information that you will get, especially if you will use these properties. Makita na ninyo diha kung unsa gisukod sa inyong drawing. So kato ra. So as you can see na going back here in the model mo na siya. So na set up na ito na ako units, millimeters pa, so I will change it to centimeters. Okay, so mo na siya, naka centimeters na ang units na to. So Next, as you can see, the layout is not yet set. So unlike on the previous video, naka-set up na to siya daan. So you can just delete this one. Delete. Okay. Oh, naagin na siyang layout na. Sorry. When you add a new layout, sorry. Just right click. Hindi siya ma-delete. Let me see. Hindi na siya ma-delete ang layout. So just right click this layout tab and then click this from template and then go to the path or the location of the Oslo template. This one, mamaya akong gusto nyo, Oslo template layout metric that I have sent to you or that I sent to you. Okay, so this one. So when you open that, I already selected that. When you open that one, open, then layout's name. So you can rename that whatever you want. Let's say for example 1, 2, 3. Sorry, hindi gini siya ma-rename. So layout na gini siya. Layout's name, layout. Dire pwede ra na ninyo rename dire. Okay, so okay. And then pwede rin na ito i-delete kaya wala na nagamit. Okay, so this is the layout. Mauna na siyang katong na dito. As you can see, mauna na siya. Dili lang siya baga. Tanawa lang ninyo. So hide line with off. So wala, naka-off mo na siya. So i-on lang na to. As you can see, this logo, wala nina ako na set up na bring to front nina ako siya. I-send to back na ninyo. Okay, so na-select ko din ako appeal. Kanirang logo ay send to back. So na-discuss na po din ako in the previous video on how to make an image that is embedded in the drawing file. Okay, so if it is not embedded, mawala gina siya. So kinahanglan mo nga na may file ani, let's say for example this drawing or this image, you have this image file in your computer. Because if you don't have this image file in your computer, or there are file that is the same name with this one in your computer but not the CTO logo, mao to magawas dili. Okay, so send this to back. Kay natabunan na niya. As you can see, mura siya nipis na linya, natabunan na the lines or the lines of the title block was black, or yes, natabunan ani nga ato ang image. So draw order, send to back. As you can see, nabaga na siya because this one is already sent to back. I believe you are already familiar with this one because in other softwares like Microsoft Word, Excel, Photoshop, I believe you already know. Yes, because you have Photoshop naman siguro pag first ninyo sem ba, no? First year ninyo. Okay, so para maon na siya. Maon na siya, naka-set up na siya. Pareha ra po ni, double click ra po ninyo kung na may drawing. Let's say for example, I already have drawing here. So double click na yo, zoom, extends, zoom. Lalagyan ko. Let me see. Maybe there's a problem. Let me try silawasan. Ano naman? Regarding this one, if dili siya magawas dire, kasi kung sakto naman yung unit. So, kung di siya magawas dire, pwede ra to ninyo i-delete na lang. Be careful if you will delete katong viewport, di ba? Naman siya viewport, as you can see. Naato sa likod ani ang viewport. So as you can see, only this line was selected. So you can just move this line here pwede yeah, para ma-move ninyo. Ano siya, yeah, just put this back to its right location na. So mindful of the snaps okay, so paano siya ma-edit, anong wala mo siya scale to fit, wala isa. Anyway, just use MV na lang para madali mo. Huwag natin ba ito problema, I don't know. So na siya, so kana. And then of course whatever scale nga akong giingon ninyo, oops, kani day. So kani, as you can see, di ba 1:1 man ang tayo mo ninyo. In model marag dili ni siya dako, gamay ni siya centimeter man to. So maghimo ko circle, let's say 100 naman no, dako naman kayo. Mao to siya nga wala nakita, mao dito siya. So let's make let's say circle nga 3, so 6 centimeter ni ang diameter ani. I-zoom extends lang ninyo para ma-fit din siya dire, and then or you can use this one scale to fit and then change to 1:1 if yung sa tayo instruct na ninyo ano ni. Okay, mo na siya yung drawing. As you can see, the grid kani tagaan lang pa tag magidiya ni dagko kay ang grid. So you can set up that one sa drafting settings, DS, enter. And then as you can see, 0.5 man siya dire. Yung 0.5 yung spacing. Dito na nga mag sa i-check sa na i-print mo. Kaya naman din. Again, usbalan ninyo based sa katong previous instruction na to 0.5 lagi ni 0.5 6 ano ko centimeters naman siya. Grid. So just type DS again, drafting settings, snap on grid 0.5 lagi ni siyempre naka-centimeter naman tata. Refresh lang ako no. Major grid na siguro gipakita ni. Or asa ba? DS. Lahi nakabutang dito. Okay, so as you can see, if I will type DS here in the model, as you can see, on siya nakita 10. Diba? 10. But when I go to the layout, DS, so lahi na siya ang mugawas nga drafting settings sa layout and on the model nga naman, because here in the layout kani atong layout sa gawas ani niya naka ang sukod ani niya is in millimeters. Yes, millimeters ni siya. So if I will show the grid ani, di man pud ni makita ang grid yan. Let me check lang kung millimeters ni gini. Sorry, centimeters gini siya. Na-convert naman din nato. Sorry. So mao day nakapa sorry. So ngano siya nga lahi siya sa layout o lahi sa model. Tungod na, let's say for example, maghimo og layout DS. As you can see, pareha sila. Mao man na siya default nga snap spacing o grid spacing. But here in this layout, this one gikopya man ito ni siya from the Oslo template drawing katong metric, di ba? So kani sila diri naka-set up na ni based on the setup on this one or katong Oslo template, on that Oslo template nga drawing. Okay, so ang gikopy ra ni niya kanirang layout, kaya ito man itong gi-click, di ba, kani from template. So gikopy ra na niya kanira siya ang setup ani og mga drawing nga naa ani, which is the title block. Okay, so mao na siya, mao ni siya default. Ang default ana mao gini siya drafting settings ninyo, mao na siya magawas. So you can change the drafting settings. As you can see, dako magay ni ang 10. So pwede niyo pareho 0.5 ato. Automatic na nang ubos kay square magana siya 0.5 na. Then okay, so as you can see ni gamay na siya. Okay, so that's about the grid. So going back here in the layout, i-refresh na nata. Gahapon siya ni Gosman. Zoom in, zoom out rin. Pwede rag scale to fit nyo. Sorry. Wala lagi siya nausap gahapon siya. Pag ako nang di-regenerate, magkinanglan i-close open or maghimatag MB lain. Mauli gahapon siya. Ano naman sa yung salbado na. So bisag taas ta kayo experience na agya pong ko mga encounter nga nani kay trabaho mo gud na mo gud automatic na ano nga nani. So kato set up na namo. Basta na set up tanan mostly gani tagaan na mig file ana. Kaya mo na drawing na mo lahos. So mag-focus mi kanina lang diri mga details diri, di na kami maghimog mga new nga drawing. Ano ba siya? Okay. Murag diri po grid settings diri. Naka 10 gyapon siya. So lahi drafting settings sa 3.5 siya, di ba? So ang diri pod isulod na to diri. Okay. So kani siya nat dili pasabot nga kung gi-set na nato diri sa model, mao na po yung magawa sa tong layout or basig i-close open lang sa drawing. Ay, i-save din na ninyo, always save your drawings ha. Ay kalimot gid. So di lang na ko i-save. So as you can see, kung ako ni siyang i-double click, sulod na ko sa layout na makita naman yung grid oh. As you can see, kung na ako sa layout wala siya grid. But if dire ko ako siya double click, isulod na ko diri sa layout sa viewport, nasa grid settings. So grid settings or mo type ko DS pwede ra pod. So as you can see 10 gamon siya. So 0.5 lang na, ilisi lang yung 0.5. Invalid in purpose again. Oops, nasa point. So pareha na po siya dito. But I think pwede naman siguro siya. Let me try ha, kung okay naman siguro. Tanaw na to kung direta mag-edit mo, automatic ba dire sa model. So ito na i-try. Just layout. Nawala lang yung cursor ba eh. Yeah, murag Nagid ni something fishy na ba. Wala gid akong kulusog din kita sa model. Saka ako nang ito first place. Save na ako rin. Save na sample turn 3. Gawas kinaulan di isiglo. Sige siya gawas ba yun? Ano naman? I-close na lang sa ninyo para ma-refresh. Lagyan na anak. Yes. Open ako balik. Nahanap po na siya sa the history. Okay, nabalik na siya. So pwede sila na ito dala. I-set na ito itong grid settings rin. 8.5 okay. So let's see in the model kung na-apply sa delay siya. So kinahanglan ninyo i-set up gid sa model or i-regenerate ako di gapon. So different ta mag-set up ta dire, mag-set up ta dire. Anyway, dili po kita manginahanglan og grid dire because this layout view is for printing. Pwede ra kita mag-drawing dire but mostly for printing ra gina pag pahimutang na nato sa itong mga drawings rin mao lang na siya ibuhat na to ana. And then sa model grids dira kita mag-drawing. Okay? So DS enter 0.5 okay na. So that's it. Katulay buhatan ninyo, ayaw lang tog buhatan nga mag-copy mog file because I will know kung gi-copy to ninyo o ginani ninyo o wala ang yung drawing. Okay? So hopefully dili na button para dili mo masiro. Kaya para di mo minusan dili kay gamay yung score. Okay? So taas ginida. Abot ibig 27 minutes. Sige, okay to. Thank you, bye.